Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing the review of TVS Apache RTR 160 4V BS6 variant 2020 model. You can compare this bike with Yamaha FZ, Suzuki Gixxer, Bajaj Pulsar NS 160, Honda CB Hornet 160R. BS6 RTR 160 comes with LED head and tail lamps, whereas indicators are of bulb units. This bike comes in 3 colors: red, blue and black. This bike is having racing DNA in its design. Using this fairing, the bike can cut through air very easily, as the air enters here and exits from here, so that the bike is having low air resistance. Now let's talk about the heart of this bike, engine. It is single cylinder, oil cooled 159.7cc engine with 4 valves in its head and BS6 compliant in its emissions. In future, I will be making a video on different types of cooling systems available in automobiles. Those are oil cooled, air cooled and liquid cooled. I will be making a detailed video on that. Stay connected, please subscribe to my channel. Let's check the sound and firing of this bike. Wow, impressive. Being a BS6, the sound is very good and you can hear the sharpness in its sound. This bike is having front disc brake with ABS, single channel ABS and rear drum brakes, and there is no ABS in rear brakes of this bike, which is quite disappointing for me, being a 160cc racing bike. Overall, build quality, fit and finish of this bike is very good and up to the mark. You should consider purchasing it. Riding position of this bike is straight and upright for rider, and which is very good in city as well as highway, and you can also maneuver the bike very well. Seat height of this bike is 800 mm. Digital cluster of this bike is very good. It features interesting information like lap timer, top speed, recorder and other general functions such as trip meter, odometer, RPM indication, gear indicator and fuel level, etc. Fuel tank capacity of this bike is 12 liters. In a full tank, you can go around 400 to 420 kilometers on a highway. The face of this bike is very good. It looks good in daytime as well as it shines in night time. I'll be showing the night view at the end of this video. Stay connected. Everything is designed in very good manner and it looks very aggressive and appealing. Now this full light is on. High beam and low beam both are on. Now only low beam is on. Bike is looking good and light is also very good on low beam as well. Another big change in BS6 model is it is having a new feature called glide through traffic function. Using this, you can crawl in bumper to bumper traffic without using throttle, just by releasing the clutch, which will be very handy for you to navigate through the traffic. Engine power of this bike is 16.2 PS of power at 8250 rpm with 5-speed gearbox. Weight of this bike is 149 kgs without fuel. Now I will be giving you 6 reasons to buy this bike. Reason number 1 is great ride and handling. Ride quality of this bike is very good and handling is also very good. It is having a decent amount of power and riding posture. Overall you are having good control over the bike, which is very good. Reason number 2 is performance of engine. Engine is very smooth as well as punchy and super refined. Firing of this engine is very good, as you have heard in the video. It is very smooth and punchy. Whenever you will feel this, whenever you are accelerating hard on the bike, you will just enjoy revving the bike. Reason number 3 is its instrument console. You are getting a lot of information on its display just at the tips of your finger. Reason number 4 is value for money product. You are getting lot of features and very good bike at a reasonable price. Price bracket is somewhere around 1 lakh to 1 lakh 20 to 1 lakh 30,000 depending upon your area and location. Just negotiate well with the dealers. Reason number 5 is solid build quality of this bike. Build quality is very good and it is tough for this bike, as generally TVS bikes are very good, but in this bike it is better as compared to previous models. Top speed of this bike is also very good, around 130 km per hour, which is fair for 160cc bike. Reason number 6 is good eye-catching design, which is best in segment of this bike. And mileage you are getting for this bike is around 40 to 45 km per liter, which is acceptable for this 160cc bike. Overall, bike is very good. I find it very good, and definitely if your budget allows, you should definitely go for it. And in its price, it is a very feature loaded bike. You should definitely go for it. Just have a look in nighttime view of this LEDs. It is looking very good. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay connected, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.